Hey there, cool ideas enthusiasts. So, I was browsing the internet the other day and stumbled upon something that blew my mind, the GoPro GoKart. Yeah, you heard it right. GoPro is not just for capturing your epic ski jumps or bungee jumps anymore. Now they want to document your intense go-kart races too. Imagine Mario Kart, but with sleek design and multiple built-in action cameras. I mean, who needs blue shells when you've got 360-degree footage capturing all the chaos? Now, this kart is not your average gas-guzzling beast, it's a futuristic, high-tech racing machine designed by Sean Gao. It's so slick, even the wind gets jealous as it glides through the track. With metal and carbon fiber paneling that reflects light like a high-end race car, you might just mistake it for the Batmobile. But here's the real kicker, it's not just about looking cool, it's about the cameras. Front, sides, rear, this kart's got more angles covered than your favorite crime drama. You can practically direct your own karting movie while racing. I can already see the Hollywood blockbuster, Fast and Furious, GoKart Drift. And for those night owls, fear not. The GoKart comes equipped with headlights and taillights, so you can race under the stars without turning your race into a literal crash and burn situation. But here's the best part, the cameras aren't just for show. They capture every exhilarating moment. Want to see the guy behind you eating your dust? Check. Want to witness a head-to-head battle on the sides? Got it. It's like being in a Fast and Furious movie, but without the need for Vin Diesel's deep voice. Now, the dashboard is not just there for decoration. It's a control center, a cockpit of information. You can dock your smartphone underneath the steering wheel because, let's be honest, you can't be a real racer without a cool gadget. The central dashboard lets you toggle camera views, check racing stats, and probably even order a pizza mid-race. And the best part is the post-race action. Your highlights are sent straight to your phone. You can relive those glorious moments and share them with your friends, family, and that one colleague who never believes your wild stories.